here's another video tutorial showing you how to configure Windows Server 2008, okay, on your server PC. Alright, so I'm gonna be using the virtual machine manager to show you. Okay, that's Hyper-V Manager to show you in Windows 8. Okay, so I'm just gonna create a new virtual machine now. Alright, so I'm gonna make it server 2008. Okay, R2, that's the edition I'm installing. So next, that's the version I'm installing. Okay, so my RAM will be 0. Oh, that's 1 gig. Okay, next, and I'll select my networking. That's the virtual switch. Okay, next, alright, and then here I'm gonna select where to store my hard drive. Okay, so I'm gonna give it a 40 gig. Alright, and I'm gonna store my hard drive on the D. Okay, and next. Okay, storage is on later. Next. Okay. You just follow this step if you're gonna be using the Hyper-V. Okay, so it's not basically necessary. So now this is one I just created, server 2008 how to the virtual machine. So I need to select the image, okay, on my PC. Okay, so right, alright, then okay. So I'm just gonna start this up. Okay, connect to it. It shows the interface. Okay, here you're just going to select your language. Okay, and then you go for next, and then here you go for install now. Alright, so here are the various editions I have in my package of Windows Server 2008 Auto. So I'm going to be installing the data center, full installation. I have to select it. As you can see, they are all 64 bits, so you make sure your hardware system is also 64 bit. Go for next. Accept terms and condition license agreement. Go for next. Okay, and then here we have what kind of installation do you want to do? Do you want to do a custom, which is a fresh copy of Windows, or you want to upgrade? Okay, since we don't have an operating system there already, so we can't upgrade, so we have to go for custom. Alright, and these addicts, my addicts, so I'm gonna go for next on it. Alright, and then my installation starts. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, basically here this process is gonna restart a couple of times for its finished installation. So I'm gonna pause the video now, and when it's done I would come back here. Alright, so it's done. So now it says user must change password before logging for the first time. Okay, probably that's one of the restrictions of the server. Okay, so you just go for the OK, and then you type in your password, which must contain a numeric, an alphanumeric, and a letter. So if you don't type it that way, it should never accept. Just type in my password. So I go for the arrow sign, change my password. Alright, so give me a success message. Alright, so I go for OK. Alright, so starting up my server for the first time. As you can see, it's Windows Server 2008 R2 data center installed, so you can see it down there. Alright, so make sure your hardware PC you're installing is a server computer, because probably the data center requires a lot of uh, RAM and hard disks, okay, to get it up. So you can check the requirement on my blog as it listed there. Okay, so here is our installation is completed. Okay, so probably some few bugs should pop up now. Just waiting for that. All right. Okay, so here we have what we call the initial configuration task stage. That is the ICT, which gives you a step-by-step configuration of your Windows Server 2008 IO2. So here it says activate Windows. You have to activate. Okay, this drive version zone. I want to activate that. Set a time zone. Okay, and then here we have configure networking. That's to give an IP address to your adapter card and all that. Okay, and then here we have, you can change your provide computer name. Okay, so you can just click on that. Let's change the computer name. Okay, click on that and go for change. And now I'm changing this computer name to DC1. Alright, I'm just gonna go for OK. Now probably this requires your PC to restart when you change the name. So when I go for OK, close, it will ask me to restart. Alright, so I'll quickly restart that and then we'll explore more things here. Okay, so let me restart that. Alright, I've just restarted, so here's my startup screen. It says I should press Ctrl or Delete. So probably on your desktop PC, okay, you just have to click press Ctrl or Delete. Because I'm using the Hyper-V, I'll go for Action Ctrl or Delete. Okay, and I'll type in my password. Alright, so you just start up my system. Okay, so we're back here. Okay, now our PC's name has been changed to DC1. So we're waiting for the ICT window again to continue our configuration. Okay, here we have it. You can see the name has been changed to DC1. Okay, and then we'll go to the next step. You can see that we have update the server. Okay, probably you need to download your Windows update if necessary. Okay, if you really need the update, you can install the update, download and install it. Okay, and make sure you're connected to the internet to do that. And then here we have error reporting. Okay, you can report to Microsoft errors you get. And then here we have customized the server as what you want the server to do on your network, or you want it to do for you. Okay, you're just gonna add your rules, your features. Okay, here we have enable remote desktop by default disabled. Okay, and then here you can configure a firewall. Alright, so that's the initial configuration for the server, though you can do a lot of other things. Okay, so now we don't want this dialog box to pop up anymore when we restart. Okay, when we turn off our server, so we'll go for do not show and close it. Okay, so now another dialog window will pop up called the server manager. Okay, this basically allows you to manage your server. Okay, add roles, change roles, disable items, a lot of things. Okay, on your server. Okay, so probably won't be doing any of that. Okay, so this is just how it looks like. Okay, so you're just gonna close it. You can see the way it's showing on my PC because I'm using Hyper-V. Okay, if I don't like that, I can just right click and go for screen resolution. Okay, and just increase the screen resolution to the preferred one. So what I'm going to use is okay, let me use this. Okay, it's not working for me to prevent. Okay, let me use. Alright, just gonna leave it that way. Okay, there's no reason in this one. Okay, so if you don't like the way the resolution is, you want to cover everything, so you make sure you select your resolution here. So I'm just going to cancel that. Okay, so basically that's how you install and configure. So we install your Windows Server 2008 IO2. Okay, it's not much an idea of configuration. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more video on Windows Server Okay, 2008 out to probably 2012. Thank you for watching. Bye.